फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग पाइथन की बेसिक अपना प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की फर्स्ट वीडियो स्टार्ट करने वाले. इन दिस वीडियो वी हैव अ brief description of what is Python, its features, and in the areas where the Python is being used. So you can download Python from the website www.python.org. It is open source language, so it is freely available for downloading, and you can use from that where. Python is a general purpose, interactive, object oriented, and high level programming language. It was created in 1985 and 1990 by Jade Van Rossum. It's a very important question, basically asked many times in the exam. It's a simple and easy to learn. It provides lots of high level data structures which are being used in other programming language also. Python syntax is simple and it's provide dynamic typing also. With its interrupted nature, make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development. That is the reason why Python is being used more nowadays. It supports automatic garbage collection. It can be also be integrated with C++, COM, ActiveX, Cobra, and Java. Basic syntax of printing a message of hello world is print hello world. So output will be the hello world. Python is copyrighted like Perl, which the language which is being there. Python source code is now available under the GNU, that is General Public License, GPL. Now we will discuss about some features of Python's. It is an interactive mode. It is portable. It can be used in any hardware. It's GUI programming, graphical user interface. It is easy to learn because it's simple syntax. It supports standard libraries, whereas which is being used in various fields. It's an interpreted language, as we have already discussed, an open source language available on the website www.python.org, and it also supports dynamic memory allocation. Now we will have some areas where the Python is being used in the nowadays. Python is used in a data science, data mining, mobile application, artificial intelligence, web application, 3D CAD application, computer vision, and speech recognition. And the Python popular frameworks are in the libraries are for the web development are Django, Flask, Pyramid, and CherryPy. And for the graphical user interface based application, we have TK, PyGTK, PyQ2, and PyJS. For the machine learning, we have TensorFlow, PyChart, Skitlearn, Matplotlib, Skipify. And mathematics, we have NumPys and Pandas. In other further videos, we will study these frameworks also, and all about the variables and all the things which are being used in Python. And Python has been used in many Google companies has been using Python, like NASA, Google. So the use of Python has been increased so fast, so you should learn the basic from Python. And hope this video has been clear to you all, and you have got the basic concept of Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel also.